Xiaomi 13 Lite the perfect balance of affordability and performance that you are looking for in a mid-range phone? Join us as we explore the phone's design, display, performance, battery, cameras, and more in our full review. Hey, and welcome back to Tech Pineapple. Today we are reviewing the newly released Xiaomi 13 Lite, a mid-range smartphone with a suite of competitive features. With a crowded mid-range market, the 13 Lite has a lot of competition to face, but does it deliver in terms of value? From the curved glass design to the high-end mid-range chipset and fast charging, the 13 Lite promises to deliver. But with its single speaker and high launch price, is it still worth the investment? Let's find out. Design. The design of the Xiaomi 13 Lite is truly impressive, featuring a lightweight and ultra-slim curved design that fits perfectly in the hand. Weighing in at only 171 grams and just 7.23 millimeters thick, this phone offers both comfort and performance. The front and back body have a beautiful 3D curved design, making it not only stylish but also easy to grip. You'll have 3 great color options to choose from: light pink, light blue, or black, so you can find the perfect match for your style. Display. Xiaomi 13 Lite features a 6.55-inch AMOLED screen with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. It boasts a resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels with a 120Hz refresh rate and a high 402 ppi pixel density. The touch sampling rate is incredibly fast at 240 Hz, and the typical brightness is rated at 500 nits with a peak brightness of 1000 nits. To top it off, it also has a 1920Hz PWM dimming technology, providing a smooth and seamless viewing experience. Features. The Xiaomi 13 Lite is a true masterpiece, and not just because of its sleek design. The phone features a flagship camera system that promises to deliver stunning photos. The dual front camera with dynamic framing takes your selfies to the next level, and with its featherweight slim design, the Xiaomi 13 Lite is comfortable to hold in your hand. The 120Hz adaptive Sync AMOLED display provides a smooth and immersive viewing experience. Plus the advanced 4nm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, this phone is a powerhouse in the palm of your hand. Performance. The Xiaomi 13 Lite packs a performance punch with its 128GB and 256GB storage options. Powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 14 NM process technology, the phone has octa-core processor and an Adreno 644 GPU, allowing you to enjoy seamless multitasking and gaming. The in-screen fingerprint sensor and the AI face unlock ensures top-notch security and authentication. With dual SIM, 5G, LTE, WCDMA, GSM, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2, you'll have all the connectivity that you need. The phone features Dolby Atmos audio, providing you pretty good sound quality. The Xiaomi 13 Lite also features a variety of sensors, including a proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, electronic compass, linear motor, and IR blaster. Running on a MIUI 14 and Android 12, the Xiaomi 13 Lite is a complete package for a smooth and efficient user experience. Front camera. The front camera on the Xiaomi 13 Lite is a true masterpiece of engineering. With a 32MP front camera, you'll get an unparalleled selfie performance that captures every detail with stunning clarity. And with the addition of an ultra-wide-angle camera, you can fit more of your friends and surroundings in every shot. The Selfie Glow feature provides perfect lighting that adapts to any lighting scenario, making sure that your photos always stand out. The ultra-wide-angle camera even has its own dynamic framing, which can detect the number of people in the frame and adjust accordingly. For portraits, the dual front cameras work together to create a beautiful bokeh effect that adds depth and dimension to your shots. And with a selfie zoom, you can zoom in up to 2x for the close-ups that you capture the smallest details. Plus, the pocket mirror features lets you check your look or apply makeup with ease. And for vloggers, the upgraded vlog mode and Xiaomi teleprompter makes it easier than ever to create high-quality content. Back camera. Get ready to capture every moment with the flagship camera of Xiaomi 13 Lite. This 50-megapixel triple camera system boasts a wide-angle lens featuring the Sony IMX766's flagship sensor, with a 1 by 1.56 large sensor and 1.0 micrometers large pixel for sharper and brighter images. The ultra-wide-angle lens offers a stunning 119-degree field of view, and the macro lens allows you to get up close and personal with your subject, capturing rich details even in super close-up shots. The flagship rear camera also features anti-glare coating on the glass to reduce flare in backlight environment. With a 122.63% increase in light intake and Xiaomi's imaging engine, you'll experience flagship-level image quality with the Xiaomi 13 Lite. Battery and charging. The Xiaomi 13 Lite packs a powerful punch with its slim and lightweight design. Thanks to the large 4500 mAh battery, you can now enjoy longer battery life without worrying about running out of juice. And when it's time to recharge, the 67-watt flagship fast charging technology completes a full charge in just 40 minutes, which is pretty impressive. Plus, the 67-watt turbocharger and USB Type-C port with Xiaomi Adaptive Charge make it even easier and faster to charge your device. Pricing and availability. With a starting price of around $530, Xiaomi 13 Lite is available in a number of Asian and European markets and is available on different online retailers as well. Considering the flagship level camera quality and a feature-rich overall offering, the price is quite reasonable. However, some folks might find it a bit higher as compared to other mid-range phones in the market. In conclusion, it is a pretty solid device that covers almost all the requirements and expectations from a mid-range phone, and in some areas it even exceeds the expectations. So do let us know your thoughts about Xiaomi 13 Lite, and if you want to watch more of such in-depth reviews, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys in the next one.